Hello and welcome to this demo. Today we will be demonstrating how the connect boards column and mirrors work. So let's dive in. Over here we see that we created two different boards. We have the accounts board and the contacts board. And of course, for us as a company, we would like to know, for instance, Lorenzo over here, which it belongs to which company or where he's working. So first of all, we will need to create a connect column. We can either search for it or choose it from the list down below. First of all, we will need to select which boards we would like to connect to. We have the ability to connect to either one or multiple boards, depending, of course, on the tier that we are using. So if we are going with the basic tier, then we can only connect one board. If we're going with standard, we can connect to 5 boards, and if we're going with pro, we can connect to 20 different boards. And for the enterprise, we have up to 200 boards, but we always recommend staying under 60. So let's start by choosing the contacts board in this case. Over here, we see that we have an option to create a two-way connection. So if we select this one, then we will be then a column will be auto-generated in the contacts board. So let's do that. It will also give us the option to directly create a mirror column, but we will do it later. So, as mentioned before, in our contacts board, we had Lorenzo, which is currently working in the peering. So we can easily search for him over here and connect Lorenzo. If we go back to the contacts board, we can also see that Lorenzo over here is connected to the peering. We can connect to multiple different people, or we can easily go to settings, customize connect boards, and then unselect allow linking multiple items, which will not let us choose more than one person. So here, for instance, we can choose manual, but we can't choose him again. Now let's select this again and create a mirror column. So first of all, we will need to select which connect boards column that we want to use. In this case, we'll be using the contacts board. And then we choose the deals connected, for instance, which is a number column located in our contacts board, as we can see here. So now we see that we have Emmanuel who has 100 deals connected. We can easily update this now using the mirror column to 800 deals, and it will automatically update over here too. If we add an extra person here, for instance Lorenzo, we see that we have a total of 850 different deals connected to these two. So we can mirror any column that we have in the contacts, which is really good, and we can update it from here too. Other than that, Monday also offers a variety of different automations that we can use. Two of my favorites are the matching automation over here. So we can say if we have two different columns, two different boards, let's say an ID column maybe or something like that, a text column. We would like to match between these two, and if these two match, then we will auto connect the item. That is done using this formula over here, and then we also have the ability to create an item somewhere else in a different board, that the one we are creating or triggering this from, and connecting it back to. Other than that, as general information, we in the enterprise tier we can connect up to 100,000 different items in one board, and for all the other tiers it is 10,000. we can have 750 items connected to the same cell, and that is for all the different tiers. And in general, we can have up to 60 different connect columns in one board. I hope you guys found this useful, and thank you for watching.